Today, we will discuss the most important business tool for analysis, that is Microsoft Excel. Prior to start, please considering subscribing our channel to stay updated with the smart trick which can enhance our working speed. In this session, we will discuss multiple shortcut keys that are available in Microsoft Excel that can help to increase our working speed. So let's start. Here we have selected 23 shortcut keys. First is to go to Data tab. To go to Data tab. Data tab, this is Data tab. If I want to go, so I have to press Alt plus A. Now you can see Data tab has been open. And we can use whatever we want. Next is, if I want to edit this cell, so we have to press F2, just F2. Now you can see I am pressing F2 and cell has been opened to edit. If I want to copy this content and want to paste here, so Control C, then Control V. Now you can see data has been pasted. So we have to move. Next is, if I want to center align this content, so I have to press shortcut of Alt H A C, Alt plus H plus A plus C. And you can see if I press Alt H A C, content as aligned in the center. I want to fill the color, so I have to press shortcut Alt HH. Now you can see color themes has open and I can select any color whatever I want. Next is to add border. If I want to add border in this cell, so I have to press Alt plus H plus B. Select. Now you can see the cell shown with the border. Next is remove outline border. If I want to remove this outline border, so I have to press Control plus Shift plus underscore. Control plus Shift plus underscore. Now you can see border has been removed. Next is to add an outline to the select cell. So we have to press Control Shift plus End. Control plus Shift plus End. Now you can see outline border. Next is to select all the cell on the right. If I want to select my right side cell, so we have to press Control Shift plus right arrow. Now you can see right side cell has been selected. If I next is selection of left side cells. If I want to select left side cell, these are left side cell. So we have to press Control Shift plus left arrow. Now you can see. Next is, if I want to select the column from the selected cell to the end of the table, so we have to press Control Shift down arrow. Control Shift down arrow. Now you can see Control Shift down arrow. This shortcuts used to select cell to the end of the table. To activate filter, most commonly used in the Excel, Control Shift L is a shortcut to activate the filter. If you can see here, if I want to add filter in the data, so we have to Control Shift plus L. Now you can see filter has been placed here. Next shortcut is selection of entire row. If I want to select entire row, so we have to press just shift and space, shift plus space. You can see entire row has been selected. If I want to select entire column, so we have to press shortcut number 14, control plus space. Now you can see entire column has been selected. If I want to hide row, which is our next shortcut, if I want to hide row, so we have to press just control 9, control 9. Now you can see row has been hide 14 and then 17, and in between 16 row has been hide. If I want to unhide the selected row, so we have to press control shift plus 9. Now you can see row has been unhided. If I want to hide selected column, this is, we have to press control 0. Now you can see selected column has been hidden. Next is unhide the selected column. If I want to unhide the selected column, so we have to press control shift plus 0. Select column, control 0, hide. Now control shift plus 0. Now you can see column has been unhidden. Next is, if I want to insert a new sheet here, so we have to press Alt then HIS, Alt then HIS. Now you can see new sheet added here. If I want to delete this sheet, so I have to press Alt then HDS, Alt then HDS. You can see inserted sheet has been deleted. Next is if I want to move to the next sheet, for example, here are multiple sheets and I want to move sheet number 3. So we have to press simply control page down. And if I want to go back to the sheet 1, so I have to press control page up, which was our new next shortcut, control page up. So we can move in between the sheets, multiple sheets, through control page up and control page down. And if I want to close my Excel, so we have to press control F4. This is our last shortcut, and further shortcuts we will share with you in my next video. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe our channel. Oh, Control F4, and we are going to close my Excel.